Nom 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 nom. It's so grey and gloomy outside. It's the holiday season and I just wish there was something that would cheer me up. I think I should get a new hair system for Christmas. I wonder where I'll get it. Of course, Lordhair.com. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's here. Oh yes, fabulosity, here I come. Oh, I have my Christmas party coming up. Everyone's gonna be so jealous of my hair. I know at the party, a lot of these guys are gonna ask me about my new hair. They're losing their hair too. I wanna tell them where to go. I look so good. Oh Lord, this hair. Look at this red Santa hat. Look at this jacket. Sparkles. Oh, I'm gonna shine at this party. I hope they're ready for me. Was that a dream? I have to go and order a Lordhair system right now. My Christmas party's coming so soon. Thank you, Lordhair. Merry Christmas.